Today we're going over lesson 9.5, problem solving money. Okay, so you can use a calculator, multiplication chart, but either way you must show work. So real world problem. Together, Marnie and Serena have $1.20. They want to share the money equally. How much money will each girl get? Okay, so both each and equally are telling us that we are dividing. You don't have to do this half of it because of the fact that we're doing cubes, and then you're going to be solving it on this side. Okay, so you can make $1.20 with 4 quarters and 2 dimes. So circle the coins to show 2 sets with equal value. So all we'll do is we'll circle the 2 quarters and 1 dime and 2 quarters and 1 dime. So each girl gets 2 quarters and 1 dime. Therefore, each girl gets 25, 50, 60 cents. Okay, now we're going on from page 359 to 360. So Josh, Tom, and Chuck each have 40 cents. How much money do they have all together? Okay, in this case, each is telling us to multiply. So you could do it by just multiplying 3 times 40 cents, which would look like this. So $1.20, or you could do it where you basically say Josh has a quarter, a dime, and a nickel, and Tom has a quarter, a dime, and a nickel, and Chuck has a quarter, a dime, and a nickel, and then just adding that up. So you got 25, 50, 75, 85, 95, $1, $1.10, $1.15, $1.20. So either way, you should come up with $1.20. Now we're going from page 360 to page 361. This is where you're going to have to do the work. However, I will read through the problems. So problem 1. Juan has $3.43. He is buying a paintbrush that costs $1.21 to paint a model race car. How much will Juan have after he pays for the paintbrush? So first you use bills and coins to model $3.43. They've already done that. Your next step is you need to subtract. So remove bills and coins that have a value of $1.21. Mark X's to show what you remove. So you're just coming back and you're Xing out the $1.21. Last, count the value of the bills and coins that are left. How much will Juan have left? And then you're putting the answer with a label on that line. Number 3, Sophia has $2.25. She wants to give an equal amount to each of her 3 young cousins. How much will each cousin receive? Again, we want some kind of work shown, whether it's more of a visual or more of a record of multiplying or dividing. Remember, again, you can use a calculator or a multiplication chart. Then we're doing problems number 4. Marcus saves $13 each week. In how many weeks will he have saved at least $100? So again, we have space over here to show work, but then writing the answer and the label on that line. Number 5, Hoshi has $50. Emily has 23, more than Hoshi. Carl has 16 less than Emily. How much money do they have altogether? This may be a question that you want to look at the resource online or look at some options, if I didn't give you the resource, for keyword in math, because of the fact that we have a lot of more than, less than, and it would be helpful if you knew what those words were telling you to do in terms of operation. Number 8, which does not represent the value of 3/4 and 3 dimes? So earlier in this lesson, we did put the value of money both in decimal form and fraction. So you should be able to tell me which one does not represent.